Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. This tutorial covers how you can flip, rotate and scale your video clip using Filmora 9. Here I am on the timeline with my example video clip. In order to flip, rotate or scale video clip, you double-click on the video track, select Video tab, then find the Transform tab. Here you have the tool you need. You can flip your clip horizontally, or vertically. Use this slider to rotate your clip. Or put a percentage number here which will give you the same result. You can also click on the preview window, hold this little green dot to rotate the clip too. Alternatively, you can also right-click on the clip, and select Rotate 90 degree at the pop-up menu. To scale your clip, use this slider, or put the number at this box similar to rotating option. That's the end of my today tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any question about Filmora, leave your question at the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next videos. Bye for now.